October 7th, Saturday. Our Lady of Rosary. Obedience to God's will. Here am I, the servant of the Lord. Let it be with me according to your word. We celebrate the feast of Our Lady of Rosary. The Rosary is an instrument to contemplate the mysteries of Christ and to remain closely connected with God. The fundamental aspect of the Rosary is its focus on various mysteries of Christ. During the Rosary, we are invited to pray and to reflect on the birth, passion, death, and resurrection of Jesus. It helps us to keep Christ at the center of our lives and thus grow spiritually in His footsteps. The Gospel reading speaks about the mystery of Annunciation, which would be incomplete without Mary's trusting and obedient response to the will of God. Since Mary shared in God's fellowship, she received bountiful blessings. Am I ready to surrender myself to the will of God like Mother Mary? Do I make efforts to align my will with God's will? To be obedient to God's will, one must be always connected to God like Mother Mary. The Rosary, being an effective tool, teaches us to persevere in prayer and remain united with God. In a world that wants quick answers, the Rosary reminds us to slow down and deepen our relationship with God through patient prayer. Spiritual growth is a journey. Therefore, we need to be patient and committed to prayer, especially when we do not find immediate answers. Pray and practice. Lord, help us to make the Rosary a constant companion on our journey of faith. May it help us to be connected with you and thus help us to remain obedient to your will in our lives.